welcome friends. I hope everybody has a great day so far. If you are new here, welcome. And if you're back, welcome back. I greatly appreciate all of the ongoing support. This is my channel, Juggins Jewel Creative Gems, and I'm Tegan. And today I am so excited for what I'm sharing with you. But first, of course, if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you like this video if you enjoy my content. And of course, if you leave a comment, I'll do my best to get back as soon as I can. At the very least, make sure that I give you some love back. And of course, if there's anybody that you think would enjoy my content, please feel free to share this video and my channel with them. Okay, let's get back to this now. This is going to be my unboxing. I'm super excited to share this one with you. I've been eyeing this company for a long time. And as you know, I ended up working the election and getting kind of some extra funds for myself. And so one of the first things I did was make sure that I ordered something from this company. And actually, I may have ordered more than one, but those haven't arrived yet. This is the first one to come. So I am going to share. And you're probably wondering which company has me so excited that I haven't tried yet, that I've been eyeing. And it is Diamond Painting Fanatics, which is Cindy's shop in the UK. And I cannot wait. In Canada, this is how we receive it. If you, of course, live in the UK, you will get her special touches and it'll come in a box. But let's see. Let's start here with her kit. You can opt out of the kit if you are in the UK, and that's good. If you're in Canada, you can still opt out, but you're going to get it anyways because it's coming from the manufacturer, and that's just to save on cost. So it looks like it comes with the tweezers. I did order a square. It comes with this gorgeous little clear glittery pen. I don't know how much you can see that. Little purple squishy. It comes with a white tray or boat. 2 pieces of the wax glue and a plastic multi-placer. So, a pretty good little kit, not too bad. A couple little extras tucked in there. So we'll just put that off to the side and out of the way. And then it comes with the sticker sheet here, and this is the artwork that I got. I'm trying to remember, I ordered it in the square, and it's a 40 by 50, and it's called Blossom Fairy. But as you can see, this is your sticker sheet, and she uses mostly, I think, alpha. Oh no, there's a couple of symbols. I thought it was just alphanumeric and then a couple of symbols, but she does try to keep it fairly simple so that nothing looks too much alike and complicated. This one has 50 colors, and it does come with ABs. I'm just trying to see, there's 1, 2, 3, 4 ABs that I can see on here. So lots of gorgeous, gorgeous colors. I'm going to show you the canvas first. It's got a very soft back to it. It's got the scalloped edges. I'm just going to roll it the other way because it is pour glue, and it came with a little piece of foam. Words. I know my words. I do. A little piece of foam to help her along. If you haven't checked out Diamond Painting Fanatics shop, you definitely need to. She has lots of amazing artists. Lots. This one is from Fanara, which has quickly become one of my favorites that she has on board. I swear, Cindy, you should just get all of Fanara's diamond paintings, or all of her artist diamond paintings. I just love, love, love. her stuff. Anyways, as you can see at the top, you get the artwork, the size, the Diamond Painting Fanatics logo. You have the schematic with thumbnail all down the side here. And then again, down this side, her website is also on there. And then Fanara, who is the artist. So this is the image, Blossom Fairy. You can choose your size that you want with her diamond paintings too, which is very, very nice. So you can go bigger, depending how detailed it is, or if you're looking for something smaller, you can go smaller. She's got full crystal kits, regular kits. You can, if you're not a fan of ABs, which I don't know who isn't, most of us love our ABs, but if you're one of those people that don't, you can request no ABs as well. So that's kind of cool. It allows for lots of different customizations, which is nice. But this is Blossom Fairy. I just fell in love with this one. Just fell in love with it. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. I cannot wait to work it up. I did the squares. You can also request with her diamond paintings whether you want square or round. So you could get this exact same diamond painting in round if you wanted. You could even change up the size if you wanted something smaller, if you wanted something bigger. I just kind of played the guessing game on size. Because this is the first time I've gotten a diamond painting where I can actually choose the physical size beyond what they have available. Right, like some companies, they'll offer the same one, but you don't choose the size. They only offer it in 2 sizes or something, and they're fairly similar. But this one, like, you could go massive if you really wanted to. But I thought this was kind of a nice size. I think this will show the detail nicely. It's a little bit on the smaller side. That's not bad. All of her drills, as you can see here, come pre-bagged in little baggies. So if you're the person who doesn't like to kit up and when you're okay working with the baggies, you can definitely do that. So what I want to do here is I'm going to break into these drills. And you have your inventory sheet here, which once again shows you all of the colors, and then this is the sheet that tells you, like in the schematics or the sticker sheet, I mean, it's all mixed up which ones are the AB, but it's in DMC number order, whereas on this one it shows you the ABs at the bottom. And not only does it give you the symbol and the color, but it tells you the weight of the bag, how many drills are in the bag, and how many bags are included. So you can also use this as a little inventory sheet just to double check that you have everything. So here is all the gorgeous colors, and I'm going to show you her ABs, which are right there. Absolutely gorgeous. So that's one of the ABs that just kind of jumped out at me right away. Said, hi, I'm here. Here's another one, which is kind of your more of a gray AB. But very, very gorgeous as well. That nice iridescent coating that we all know and love. Then we have this AB, which is kind of like a very, very light, almost gray, off-white. So that's your other AB in this kit. And there should be a 4th one. hiding in here somewhere. Oh, I think I see her. And it is your white AB. And there she is right there. Oop. As I throw it around. Because that's what I do. So you got a nice gorgeous white. Kind of your grays, more of your black. So those are the ABs in the kit. Which I can kind of maybe see a little bit better there. And you get lots of gorgeous colors. You got a nice deep purple there. You got a nice gorgeous red, dark red in there. What else? You got some nice orange. Getting everything snagged up here. Got a nice pale purple. Gorgeous blues. We got a nice dark navy blue here. Kind of that browny purple that you see, but quite gorgeous there. Kind of got your orangey coral colors. It's kind of that, which is like a reddish purple. A very light, like minty green there. Oh, look, another blue hiding. These are just kind of some of the brighter colors that I'm kind of pulling out here. Kind of got your khaki green. Another gorgeous kind of orange tone. A little bit of a yellow. Another shade of yellow going on there. Lots of gorgeous colors here. So many colors. As you can see, these are all kind of like some nice pinky flesh tones. Yeah, kind of a darker, almost rust kind of color. You got another kind of browny color. You've got this nice dark green. Kind of some more of those orangey flesh tone colors. Another kind of khaki green color. It's a little bit darker. Kind of your mustardy, yellowy, greenish kind of tone there. There's kind of another fleshy color. Kind of browny green. Kind of that greeny, kind of brown again. Got some gorgeous brown tones as well. Got this really dark charcoal gray. I don't think there's any 310. Yep, there's no 310 in this. So this kind of will probably serve as one of your darker gray. You got a dark gray though, and a navy, and then kind of that iridescent navy tone. And then you've got here a bunch of kind of your neutrally kind of grayish browns. These are kind of like your grayish browns as well. This is a little bit darker. And then some other gray tones. Lots of great colors in here. Lots. I kind of got them all scattered in a mess. Kind of started with my favorite brighter, and of course the ABs. But definitely lots and lots of great, gorgeous colors in this. I can't wait to work this one up when I get the chance. The drills, from what I'm seeing, look like they're a really good quality. I haven't noticed any static in any of them right now. They look pretty good in that sense, which is good because you never know with shipping how that can go. But yeah, all these gorgeous, gorgeous colors. I think this one will be really fun to work up. And I, of course, will share a post review when I'm done with it. I will probably nowhere get these nearly back as nicely as they were packaged either. That was my fault for pulling them all out. But I had to share the colors. This image by Fnara is just absolutely, absolutely stunning. Like I said, Cindy, if you're watching this, which you probably will, you definitely need all of our stuff as diamond paintings. That's just, yeah. My wallet won't like it, but that's okay. Once again, here's the stunning, gorgeous image of Blossom Fairy. If you haven't checked out her shop, you definitely need to. It's all, it's licensed art. She has lots of amazing artists. She's always adding new artists and always adding new canvases under each artist. So she's got lots and lots of great stuff to check out. That's all I can say. She's even been adding more good stuff. So definitely worth checking out. I could, of course, go on and on and on about everything. But yeah, I, of course, will see everybody in the next video with something new. Bye.